reading through the monster. Okay, so I was reading through the monster manual a bit ago, and I found this. So in the brass dragon description, boldly talkative. A brass dragon engages in conversation with thousands of creatures throughout its long life, accumulating useful information which it will gladly share for gifts or treasure. If an intelligent creature tries to leave a brass dragon's presence without engaging in conversation, the dragon follows it. Brass dragons are my favorite. It continues. If the creature attempts to escape by magic or force, the dragon might respond with a fit of pique, using its sleep gas to incapacitate the creature. When it awakes, the creature finds itself pinned to the ground by giant claws or buried up to its neck in sand, while the dragon's thirst for small talk is slaked. These guys, if you just try to go along your merry way, oh, you encountered a brass dragon, hey, how is it going? I'm gonna go now. Not happening, bucko. Slow down there, buckaroo. It's great. My favorite part is just how it brass dragons are just so desperate for conversation that it will literally pin you to the ground or bury you in sand just to talk to you if you don't want to talk to it. That's real funny. See you.